Hello friends, I'm Hilary from Dekoboko Ego. Welcome. Today I'm practicing ABCs. So let's sit up straight. Speak with a big, strong voice and don't be afraid of making mistakes. I make mistakes every day. Let's go. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Well done. Some of the letters are a little bit tricky, aren't they? For example, C, K, and Q. They're different letters, but they all have the same sound. C, K, K, Q, K. Why do we need 3? Never mind. 2 more tricky ones are L and R. In Japanese, we have da-di-do-de-do, right? But in English, we don't have that sound. So when you're writing in Romaji, you either use an L or an R. Let's practice, okay? Let's start with L. L. You put your tongue just behind your chin. La 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 la. Then it just kind of pulls back. It just pulls back. L. 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 Okay? L. 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 Good job. For R, you need to make a face like you're angry. Okay? And then open your mouth a wee bit. And your tongue is at the back. Okay? R. Very nice. Let's have a wee quiz, okay? Which letter? L or R? Lemon. Lemon. Yes! L. Lemon. How about this one? River. 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 How about this one? Be careful. Rice. Rice. Yes. Rice. By the way, if you have an L, lice, the meaning of the word is totally different. Rice means okome, right? Yummy. But lice means something else. What do you think lice means? Do you think it means A, soba, B, onigiri, or C, little bugs? Ugh. Yes, zannen dakedo. What a shame. The answer is C, little bugs. Ugh. So rice, delicious. Okome. Lice, little bugs. Ugh. No, thank you. The last letter, which is difficult for me, is V. In Japanese, we don't have this sound. You put your teeth on your tongue. You put your teeth and it's tricky. I know. Here's a secret. You know fish? You can do that, right? Let's practice. ほら、できるじゃん. You can do it. But V is the same sound. I know. It's just you are voicing it. You are saying a noise. For F, yeah? For V, So let's try. Ready? Oh, you're fantastic. Good job. If you practice the alphabet one time every day, you will master it in no time. And then we can start reading. There are so many cool books that you can read. So get cracking on your ABCs. Okay? If you like studying English with me, please like this video and please subscribe to the Dekoboko Eigo channel, and I will see you next week.